Examples of epic from literature. The Epic of Gilgamesh, written around 2000 BCE. Perhaps the Epic of Gilgamesh is the first example of an epic. It tells the story of the life of an Assyrian king Gilgamesh. Like all other epics, the narrative of this epic revolves around the themes related to gods, human beings, mortality, legacy, and seduction. Like other epics, it is also composed in a grand style. Gilgamesh is a young, arrogant king due to his being half god and half human. His strength and masculine beauty becomes a constant source of trouble for others. Therefore, gods grow sick of Gilgamesh's arrogant and troublesome attitude and decide to teach him a lesson. He is made to fight his antagonist Enkidu and then go on a long journey to bring the plant of life, a journey on which he learns the lessons of life. The Iliad, 800 BCE. Iliad is another example of an epic. It was written by the popular Greek poet Homer. It relates the story of the Trojan Wars involving themes of courage, boldness, love for one's country, and nostalgia of family. However, it describes many legends related to the siege of Troy, the events that took place before the siege, the gathering of the warriors prior to the siege, and the causes of the war. Later, the epic foretold the looming death of Achilles and the destruction of Troy. The style of narration is grand and suits an epic poem, the reason that it is still one of the most celebrated work of antiquity. Paradise Lost 1667. Written on the same traditions but on a different subject, Paradise Lost is an English epic by yet another blind poet of English origin, John Milton. It also is known colloquially as the Protestant epic. In this epic, Milton argues Satan's fall from the heaven as well as Adam and Eve's fall from the Garden of Eden. Despite his blindness, Milton did not stop from explaining the ways of God to men. He has depicted Satan as a highly complex character who is at war with God. Despite his different subject, Milton has used several epic devices introduced by Homer such as invocation to the muse, extended similes, and grand style.